Dari. Udah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today we have speaker Brother Abdullah, 11 RPL. The topic is review the project. The time is yours, Dul.
Okay, everyone. My name is Abdullah, and today I want to review my project about Quran app. I made this for uh, with with my friends. The material is about how to use GetX. We use GetX, and in this application, Quran app, I use API. Exactly is HTTP API, not the JSON API, or you can call it REST API. The API that in our application file or yeah, a project file. But now I'm using the API HTTP API, so it's taken online. So if you don't have any connection, you can not see the progress or the API that you have set up. I'll share a screen. Wait a second. Aduh kak, saya lupa belum settingnya. Ulang aja deh. Guys, so this the Quran application look exactly I changed the name before be with Islamic application. So there are three features. Two. The main features is only two. The Al Quran and Zikr. Zikr is only include Zikr in the morning and evening. Okay, I'm check the Quran first. Quran, and also we can change the theme. If you prefer dark, you can change to dark. If you are prefer to light mode, you can change it to light mode. Okay. We can bookmark ayat. I mean surah and the ayat also. I'm a bookmark Al-Fatihah, and I want to bookmark the ayat, the third ayat. Okay, and when see the bookmark, bookmark menu, we can there are two features, the surah and the ayat. Surah that we got bookmark is Al-Fatihah, and the ayat is the third ayat of Al-Fatihah. Okay, and also I want to show the code. I only want to show the controller. What the meaning of the controller is like the API fetch or something like database or something like that that we want to fetch to so we can use it in view or screen. That name controller. There are three in total controller: the audio, Quran audio, Quran controller, the Quran list like this, and zikir is this zikir. I use two different API, HTTP API, because I don't get the API that include Quran with Zikr. So I choose another API for Zikr. And for audio controller, I still use the same API as the Quran, but I use the different features like let me see the hypothetical first. I want to show you. Okay, this is the zikir, and I see the Quran. Okay, this is the Quran, and as you can see, there is the menu of audio. This is what I use in audio controller. What we use, yes. And also in the Quran, the audio is we can play the audio like this. Okay. Nah, I hope the audio is okay. The entire of Quran Surah, uh, we can hear the audio like example soft mulak I mean. Wait. Look, the audio is sing with the surah. I mean the ayat because I use the ID. So when we play when we play the audio, this component button will take the surah ID and will matching it with the audio. For example, the surah ID is one or Al-Fatihah. So when this button, putar audio button is clicked, the system will match the audio with the ID. So the audio will not getting error. You click it like you click in Al-Mulk, but the audio is play Al-Fatihah or others not. It's not like that because I've set the ID, so it will not broken. It same with bookmark in the API. There are ID also. So I take the bookmark, take the ID for the surah, so it won't getting error. For example, I bookmark Al-Baqarah, so it won't bookmark any others that I haven't bookmarked. Look. And also we can delete the bookmark if you want like this. And also there is a notification down there. Yeah, let's try the dark mode. The dark mode is available in this two features like zikir in the morning and the evening. And also Al-Quran dark mode in the surah, also the dark mode and bookmark also. And also I made the bottom navigation bar is like nav bar, navigation bar. So we can easily go to Al-Quran or Zikr without press back button. Okay. I'm gonna show a bit about the code. For example, this is the home. The homepage is very simple. I only show in total five five component. The first is this one. If that a bar is not component is like uh must every application must have it. Where is this the first component. Then this is the second component. Yes, that's the first the homepage code, and also the Quran screen. Quran screen is how I get the ID. Uh, I use getX and wait, wait. Yes, the function to get the surah from the controller. I use the feature builder, so the it will reload for in real time. But in API data is like fixed. It won't change. But if the developer won't change the API data, it can. So I use the feature builder. Like if you make a application that use database, you must use the feature builder. And also the zikir screen. Wait, this how I get the zikir. And why there's type? Because there are two type of zikir in morning and evening. So if the user choose the morning, the zikir that will show is the morning zikir and also the evening. Okay, maybe that's all for today's uh, project review. I hope this review is very helpful. And then that's all for me. Back to the host.
Okay, thank you, Brother Abdullah, for your speak. And I think this enough for our guys. See you next time, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.